Hey, what's going on, guys? Vampire Omega here, coming back at you with another Roblox video. And today we are gonna be Blackout. Yes, you guys all know who Blackout is. You guys seen him before, but this time he's kind of different. Yeah, he's the dragon today, and he doesn't have the little lightning bolts by his name. So this has decided to kind of be. I've decided to have this as my more standard character. Now, those of you who've watched my previous videos all know that I've shown off the Divine. I've talked about the Divine in many videos. So yeah, I think that's enough talking about the Divine. And let's go ahead and hop right on into the video today. Oh, and for update on Reaper actually is the reason we're not playing as Reaper today is that, well, he has a mate, but his mate is kind of offline, so we're going to be playing as my Shadow Dragon Blackout. If you guys do enjoy, please make sure to leave a comment. I love reading you guys' comments. And we are now on Wolf Life 2 number 9. So yes, you guys have been keeping this series going. I've been enjoying recording and everything, so let's get right down to it, shall we? For everyone who knows what I am, please leave a comment if you can guess what kind of wolf I am. Well, never mind about that, because it kind of tells you right in my description. I am a Shadow Dragon. Yeah, let's see if we can not find him a mate, shall we? Now today I'm gonna be. I know I kind of cut it off yesterday with the roleplay, but I want to thank the Divine, who I gave a shout out to, and thank you for coming in and subscribing to me. Welcome to the Vampiric Clan. Yeah. Again, shout out to you. Shout out to actually, let's just put it this way. Shout out to all y'all vampires in my clan. Shout out to every single one of you guys. And mass shout out to the first subscriber I've ever had. I am sorry I don't remember your name, but you're the reason I've been doing these videos now. You subscribed when I had 0 videos up. So yeah, if you guys ever wanna go listen to my playlists, feel free to, because well, I just want you guys to enjoy, get to know me a little bit. If you guys ever want me to do a Q&A, just let me know, and yeah, I will. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into roleplay. If you guys want a friend, FYI, I do have an account now for the YouTube channel, so I'll be working on him off camera, trying to get him some of the wolves you've seen, especially trying to get him this one. But if you guys want to friend him, he goes by the same name as the YouTube channel. So yes, we do have a account for this channel, and if y'all want to see me do a patrol video, I will, but I don't know. It all depends. Right now we're just kind of flying around too, just see what kind of role plays we can get into. But yeah, guys, you guys will notice me switching from third person to first person. When I'm running around, I'll be like this, third person, so you can see the wolf, the blacked out dragon, and then when I'm flying, I'll be first person. But yeah, this is Blackout. He's single looking. Yeah, Halloween's right around the corner, guys, so what I have in my hand is actually a tube of vampire blood, so just to give you all kind of a hint of what I'm going to be doing this year for mine. I'm gonna be doing Vampire Blood. That's right. I'm doing Vampire Blood. Put a little bit up on the camera here. You guys won't be able to see that, but yeah, put a little bit of Vampire Blood on my camera. I just for the heck of it. Looks like we got a friend here. If you all know my friend, most of these guys are actually my friends. Anyways, guys, yeah, most of y'all should know by now. If you guys are watching my video, obviously you know what my channel is, and if any of you guys are from this game, this particular server, come to watch me, mass shout out. Mass shout out to you guys. I shout out to my friends who are all been role playing with me. It's fun getting to know you guys. It's fun getting to know you guys personally. It's fun for me getting to be able to entertain you guys. I'm sorry for the inconvenience with the circles going around my mouse. That's kind of an issue I have to deal with. I do have OBS, but for some odd reason it doesn't catch my voice like this one does. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if I can get into any type of roleplay here.
Myself just a little bit of love that I wanna spend on you, but baby, I'll never get that chance to dance that romance with you. I'm not concerned.
Usually, guys, I usually do have all the music muted, but somehow they can bypass that. So I'm sorry to the author of that song. I tried to mute that for copyright purposes, but for some reason I can't mute this wolf. So that's kind of not my problem. I've tried to mute. The best I can do is fly away. And yeah, guys, if you ever have any type of questions, just please make sure to leave them in the comments. Do be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to join the Vampire Clan. Alright, with that said, have a fabulous night, stay safe, and catch you on the next time. Vampire Omega